Every new leak, insider tip, and industry whisper points to one thing. The Sony A7R VI isn't just another upgrade. It's shaping up to be a landmark camera in Sony's Alpha lineup. Designed for photographers, filmmakers, and hybrid creators, this model is redefining what a high-resolution, professional mirrorless camera can do. At the heart of the hype is the rumored 80-megapixel full-frame BSI sensor, a massive jump from the A7R VI's 61 megapixels. This brings medium-format level detail without the size, weight, or cumbersome workflow, striking a perfect balance between resolution, low-light performance, and manageable file sizes. Early rumors suggested 100 megapixels, but 80 seems like the ideal sweet spot for practical yet stunning image quality. Powering this sensor is Sony's next-generation BIONZ-XR processor, paired with dual AI processing units. This combination promises faster performance, improved noise control, richer color science, and intelligent real-time subject recognition. Autofocus is expected to reach an entirely new level, tracking humans, animals, birds, vehicles, and fast-moving subjects with pinpoint accuracy, critical at 80 megapixels where even small focus errors are obvious. Burst performance is rumored to hit 12 frames per second mechanically and up to 15 electronically, making the A7R VI ideal for wildlife, sports, and action shooters. Storage options include CF Express Type A and dual US2 SD slots, delivering both speed and flexibility. Stabilization also gets a boost, with up to 8 to 8.5 stops of in-body image stabilization for smoother handheld shooting. On the video side, Sony may offer 8K recording, oversampled 4K at high frame rates, 10-bit 4.2:2 codecs, S-Log3, S-Cinetone, and even 16-bit RAW output over HDMI. Thermal upgrades will handle the heat from these high-performance modes. The body is expected to feature a magnesium alloy frame, improved ergonomics, a deeper grip, a stunning 9.44 million EVF, and a fully articulating high-resolution display designed for both horizontal and vertical workflows. Pricing is rumored between $3,999 and $4,499, positioning the A7R VI between traditional mirrorless flagships and some medium-format rivals. With these upgrades, the A7R VI looks set to be a game-changer for creators who demand extreme resolution, speed, and versatility in a single, professional-grade package.